Article 1179. Every obligation whose performance does not depend upon a future or uncertain event or upon a past event unknown to the parties is demandable at once. Every obligation which contain a resolutory condition shall also be demandable without prejudice to the effects of the happening of the event. Condition is a future and uncertain event upon the happening of which the acquisition or extinguishment of an obligation subject to it depends. Sinasabi sa Article 1179 na kapag ang obligation ay walang condition, demandable siya at once. A good example is pure obligation. Pure obligation is one without a term or condition and is demandable at once. Example, sinabi ko sa'yo, I promise to give you 3,000 pesos. Demandable siya at once kasi wala kong binanggit na term. Hindi kong sinabing bibigyan kita ng 3,000 next week, next month. Wala ring condition akong binanggit. Hindi ko rin naman sinabi sa'yo na bibigyan kita ng 3,000 kapag mataas ang nakuha mo sa exam. We have two principal kinds of condition. We have suspensive condition and resolutory condition. Tingin mo, ano kaya dito sa dalawa ang demandable at once? Correct. Resolutory condition. So, isa-isahin natin to. Suspensive condition. This is a condition the happening of which give rise to the obligation. Sa suspensive condition, wala munang obligation. So, kapag nangyari na yung condition, tsaka pa lang magkakaroon ng obligation. So, example, I will give you a car if you pass the CPA licensure examination. Dito sa example, wala pa akong obligation na ibigay sa'yo yung car. Pero once na nakapasa ka na ng board exam, may obligation na akong ibigay sa'yo yung car. Next, resolutory condition. This is a condition the happening of which extinguishes the obligation. Dito, demandable na yung obligation. And kapag nangyari na yung condition, ma-extinguish na yung obligation. Example, I will let you use my calculator until you pass the board exam. So, pwede mong gamitin yung calculator. Hanggat hindi ka pa nakakapasa ng board exam, pwede mong gamitin. Pero kapag pumasa ka na ng board exam, tapos na yung obligation ko na ipahiram sa'yo yung calculator.